Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics fast. Clean the mesh and charging contacts with a dry, soft brush and isopropyl swab. Remove visible debris that causes buzzing. Once done, make sure your Airpods and phone have the latest firmware and OS updates because software fixes often eliminate noise. Next, pair with a second device and play the same file to determine whether the buzz comes from the Airpods, the source device, or the connection. Now focus on connection and signal quality. Forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair. This clears corrupted link parameters. While testing, disable equalizer presets and sound enhancements because they can introduce clipping or resonance. Also change codecs or test with a wired adapter if available. Poor codec negotiation or interference can cause buzzing. If volume is maxed, lower to mid-range to see. Finish with hardware-focused actions. Fully charge both Airpods and the case, then reseat the buds to ensure good contact. If buzzing persists, gently tap to detect loose drivers and try a soft reset. Long-term buzzing may mean driver damage or worn foam. Seek professional repair or Apple diagnostics. If the problem is intermittent, test in a low radio frequency environment and document when it occurs and which firmware you have. That information speeds targeted repairs or software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.